My name is Elizabeth Sheils, and I'm one of the co-founders at Rock Paper Coin. And I first heard about Elevate through Ty Oregon. I came into contact with Ty when I was first starting the company, and from there, Nitin was on the diligence call, and Nitin took a pretty heavy interest in our company, so he introduced me to Elevate. This conference brought together a diverse community of founders, investors, people from all different types of backgrounds and experiences. And it brought them together to show them the opportunity that Elevate sees in Oregon and for them to share in that vision. It's really easy for us to all act in our own silos and to be interested in our own interests. But when you are invited to a conference that is for the greater good and with a community of people, you can share in that interest together. Allie and Ben asked me to put together some slides and speak because two reasons. I love speaking, I love telling my story, and I love being authentic. It's really easy as founders for us to only talk about the good things and to take pride in our accomplishments. I think the harder part is sharing the vulnerabilities and to sharing the hard parts as a founder, the trials that you go through. For me, and speaking, it's really important that I share those trials because if there's other founders in the room that are going through that, I want them to know it's part of the process. Being a founder is very hard, but it can be glamorized in the news, the media, social media, of having amazing exits. And when you have that exit, you only talk about the highs. And the reality is that there are more lows than there are highs. And reminding people that the lows are part of the journey and it doesn't mean that you're a failure. It doesn't mean that you don't have a good business is something that I really want to focus my time and energy on. I am super excited about the future for funding women owned businesses. 2% of venture dollars are being deployed towards women owned businesses. And we're starting to see a shift, a big shift in the narrative. And we're starting to see the actual impact of exited female owned companies. So for me, being an early stage company, I'm very excited about the opportunity that lies ahead, not only for our company, but also for the women, the future women that are coming up through the ranks.